All right. Yeah. Should be able to hear me now, hopefully. Please let me know if you can hear me. Hope everyone is doing great. Let me notify everyone on Discord. Can you guys hear me? All right. Yeah. Should be able to hear me now. All right. You should be able to hear me. But yeah, please let me know. Hope everyone is doing great. Having some issues with my mic today, so the quality hopefully will be as decent as possible. My apologies, but can you guys hear me? That's what I could get for today. My bad. It's on me, but yeah, how's everyone doing? Interesting week, as always. A bit hasn't been the most volatile week for quite some time, but yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how it's going to develop. But yeah, we've had lots of sideways movements, and but I mean mostly. Hello, Donald. Hi, guys. Yeah, but yeah, as always, I mean, last week was quite crazy, especially with crypto. So I guess we're gonna find out. So I mean, as always, just say that ask me anything. Yeah, as always, guys, ask me anything to analyze or anything. I'm going to take a look at. Great. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, guys. So yeah, if you have requests, please, let's get them started. Hopefully you do. Gold and the Dow for sure. I was just interested because how's the quality? How's the video quality? Because I see that maximum is 720. I'm not sure why it doesn't go with 1080. Let me double check if I can change the settings for you guys, because I've been wondering that for a while. Yeah. Can we get 1920 1080? Let's see. Okay, I tried. Let's see if it's gonna work out. Let's see if it changes. Let me know if it gets any better. Not sure. Perhaps I'll have to reload the page. I don't know. But I tried to change it. Nice, Donald. That's a good. Yeah. Unfortunately, it's not that much up to me. I mean, it is. Don't try to put the blame on someone else, but yeah, I should have. Not sure. Streaming. Output, simple output MP4. No, not sure. I could improve it. Anyways, I just. Oh wait. Stream. Nope. Yeah, I'll just get started. Eventually, I'll see what I can do for next time or with this video itself. So, we had gold and the Dow. So, which one first? Gold was asked first, so we'll go with gold. By the way, guys, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you're not. It really helps. So gold. All right, so we had this long all count with a 1-2. Quite the 1-2, like I was close, but still possible. So obviously this cannot be 3, 4. So if we want to follow this count, then the obvious way to approach it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are assuming we have a bottom in place right there. So we have a bottom here. Not sure why these. Yeah, because I think. Whew. Okay, so we're assuming that we have a bottom here, and I was suggesting not an ABC, but a WXY. Okay, so let me just, okay, that's my bad. So a WXY with A, B, C, A, B, C. Okay. WXY. That would be a triangle in B. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down in A, which was my main. But I remember, I think I got asked this last time, so 2 weeks ago. I remember I said I could count 5 ways down here, up and down, because the main issue was that we had 7 swings, and 3, 7, 11 are corrective. Therefore, this cannot be wave C, because it would have, if it was wave C, it would have to be impulsive, and impulsive is either 5 or 9 or 13. So yeah, it had to be some in a way corrective. So a WXY would be the best fit if the bottom is here. Could we have a bottom here? Well, yeah, I guess. But then again, it would be hard to count this because you cannot distinguish 5 waves. You get overlaps with 1 and 4. So that was my best view for gold, and still is. I mean, well, let's start to dig deeper. By the way, let me know if you have questions so far. Or guys, if you just joined us, welcome. Feel free to ask for anything to analyze, and we'll take a look at it. We're looking at gold right now. We're going to take a look at the Dow Jones US 30 right after. 1, 2. So yeah, this could easily be A, B, C. Obviously, that would be. Oh, my bad. That would be meaning that. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and upside. That would be my preferred scenario with gold higher. Obviously, we are facing resistance with also the 200 EMA purple line. You're okay. So yeah, interesting to know what your count is, Donald. But I mean, if I have to be bullish, I guess. I don't know. Maybe you could squeeze wave 4 in here, and topped already here in wave 5. So having this wave 5, and having a larger pullback. So I guess that would be the bearish count. The most bearish count I can come up with. So wave 4 already finished. So I mean, oh, that was a big mistake. Wave 4 finished right here, which makes sense. Let me see. Yeah, in a way it does. Okay. And here for their downside to get down here at least, possible. Yeah, that's possible. Maybe that was your count. I don't know. Let us know. So yeah, I mean that makes sense, because Yeah, I would take into consideration. For the downside for this wave 4, that I wouldn't like. So either wave 4 is here and we are into larger corrections, as I just said, or wave 4 is finished. For the downside, I wouldn't like it. The kind would just seem odd after that. I have a finished bottom in place, an ending diagonal. An ED, what's an ED? Ending diagonal. Where we have the wave 2 is my beginning. Well, wave 2. Yeah, that's a problem. Done. Zero beginning. I have a finished bottom in place. So wave C here, and this one to this, like this. Is that what you mean, Donald? Again, I mean, I probably. I can't say. Okay. Red 2. Red 2. Oh, cycle 2. So I've finished bottom in place. I'm a bit confused. My kind is a bit good here. I've finished bottom in place. So it's my beginning. We have wave 2 is my beginning. The 1, 2 in the bottom. Oh, okay. Okay, there you go. So this, like kind of, like this. Something like this. Of some degree, and then yeah, that has to be a wave 4 correction, and then upside, and then finished. So I guess that's what you mean, maybe. Oh, by the way, guys, if you just joined us, welcome. We're taking a look at gold. We're gonna take a look at the Dow Jones, the US 30 after, and if you have any requests, just ask. Keep them comment. Ask me anything to take a look at it. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. See what I can do. From a most recent low, last 2 months. From a most recent. I'm sorry, Don. I'm genuinely confused. I wish I could give you the powers to draw on my chart. Waiting for the 5th. The most recent low. 5th wave triangle. Well, 5th wave triangle, you mean 5th wave cannot be a triangle, so it would have to be they can be diagonals, but not triangles. Unless you mean 4th. That is. So you're saying from most recent low, last 2 months. But yeah, I'm sorry. I'm a bit confused. Anyways, all right. But yeah, anyways, that was pretty much what I could see for gold. Yeah, just let me know if there's any particular question you have. So I'll just move on to the Dow. So the Dow, I haven't taken a look at the Dow in a long time. Oh, it's really messy. So yeah, that's obviously not right. need to review the hard degree count. But yeah, the Dow obviously, not obviously, but Dow has been leading the move up from the lows, as industrials are outperforming, because we also should have, you know, the energy sector in here. So if we take a look at DJI over NDX over the Nasdaq, we see how it's positive. So obviously DJI on the upper, and the Nasdaq on the denominator. You can see how since basically, yeah, since the market topped in November of last year, the Dow has been outperforming the Nasdaq, and more significantly since August. I mean, yeah, that's an interesting chart. So yeah, Dow outperforming, so industrials outperforming technologies. Yeah, all right. Shopify and Neo. Next one. I think also silver too. Yeah, silver. We'll take a look at silver too. Sorry, Donald. But yeah, got it. So as we're broke here and PayPal, all right. I mean, if we're looking at an impulsive move, we would need to have like 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, if we're looking at an impulsive move, it's not finished, because it just looks incomplete. Maybe. Yeah, it just looks a bit incomplete here. So yeah, I would expect something like this, like a series of 3 and 4s. But overall, we could get further upside. However, we're getting quite interesting territories, as strength is an interesting territories indeed, and we're facing big resistance here. So yeah, might be a bit too late to go long here, a bit too early to go short. But overall, we can track down this move of the lows and see if it's gonna prove itself to be an impulsive move, because it has all the, on paper it can be one. So yeah, let me know if there's any specific questions here on the Dow. And I'll move on to silver, which I haven't looked at in a long time, if I have to be honest. Yep. So silver, wow. Wow, so get this, ABC. Could this be 1, 2? Be an Elliott Wave 1. Let me see. I'm just taking a look at it. So So if we want to be bullish, this has to be the top. Otherwise, if this we consider as the orthodox top, then we have a three-wave move, which is corrective. So three waves a trend don't make. So yeah, let me know if there's like if you're more interested in the short term or long term. But I mean, it's not the easiest chart I would go with. I mean, this could be short term. This could be kind of as 5, 3 up. So I could expect for the downside. However, the count is a bit complicated. I have to be honest. I think the bottom is on. Yeah, I mean, if we're talking about these bottoms, I don't know. Potentially not as. I mean, the way it got off the lows is questionable, especially if we consider this as a bottom. Then this is 3, and again, 3 is a trend don't make. So yeah, I could easily agree with that. And as I just said, short term, this looks like 5 down and 3 up. So we could expect, I mean, if we were to look for shorts and we wanted to be real aggressive, we could have a valuation level here and look for downside. On the weekly. Yeah, you said it. Yeah. Let's look at volume profile. Alright, it's up here. Yeah. But yeah, I agree. I agree. I agree with you. Yeah, let me know if there's any other question. In the meantime, let's move on to Shopify, which I tracked down, and the interesting thing about Shopify is that I can count 5 ways off the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which, what does that mean? It means that if we have 5 down, we're gonna have 3 up. So can we get upside? Yes, we can get upside in the following months, but then eventually, I wouldn't be surprised if this was to be broken. So yeah, we can trade upside, being careful. But overall, for the long term, I'm expecting further downside on Shopify. So let me know if you have questions on that. In the meantime, NEO, also I tracked down. I'm a little tracking down this possible wait for it, which I think I posted on public Discord a few days ago. I think I did. Here, I can show it, but yeah, I posted on the public Discord. Yeah, this is invalidation level. The validation level is right here. But yeah, I'm expecting potentially a triangle in wave 4, and then for the one last move lower. Oh, that's good in Shopify. Nice. Glad to know we're on the same page. But yeah, this is NEO. Also, let me know if there's questions on that. And PayPal. Also, I tracked down. So I wanted to be bullish. I mean, can we get 5 ways up into wave 1? Yes, we can potentially. I mean, this can be seen as a 5-wave move. But for 5, this could be seen as corrective because it looks like crap. Let's be honest. And I mean, can we get upside? I think we can. We're gonna have to see and find out. But overall, I mean, I don't see why. If we zoom in, like on 3 hours, we could say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and here on ABC. So I guess time will tell. But I mean, we've been moving sideways for quite some time now, haven't we? In this box, so it's gonna eventually be time to either go up or down, I guess. But yeah, let me know. Oh, same kind of Neo, that's great. Time hall. So PayPal, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that's on log scale. If we don't use log scale, then you could argue somehow you have 1, 2, but then it wouldn't make sense because you can have, that cannot be. I mean, there was a time where I was looking at the possibility of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, top here, A, B, C, but then it just went too deep and I just didn't like it. So that's why I want to stick to log scale, and also oh yeah, I should. Yeah, it's a bit nasty. I mean, if you want to be really pessimistic, you could say it's a three-wave move, and we could easily go below, what's that, $29? Yes, it's possible. I've showed the count on Facebook Meta, where I think the move of IPO is a three-wave move. Yeah, exactly. As you. Oh, so yeah, I agree. This could be A, maybe ABC, and then down. Yes, it's possible. Yeah, I think it's possible. Yeah, I agree. Also possible. But yeah, here, as I was saying on Facebook, I have this, which I really much don't like, because it just looks like a three-wave move, like from IPO. I mean, from the low, A, B, C. So yeah, I guess we're gonna find out on Facebook here. But yeah, that was PayPal. Let me know if there's any question or anything else I can help you with, guys. Any of you? Let me know if there's anything I can help you take a look at. But yeah, here on PayPal Neo. What else? Crypto wise, I mean, it has been moving this sideways, as predicted. We're looking for the downside. Dude, are we bottom? I don't know. Can we get further downside? Yes, for sure. Well, Paramount, interesting choice. Pair global. It's good dividend. Ooh, interesting, to say the least. Well. So Elliott Wave wise, I would stay away from it. I mean, trading wise, short term. Let's see what we can. I mean, yeah. Short term, this is 3 up, A, B, C. So this could be, you could get something like this. Some kind of A, B, C of some degree. But yeah, this is 3 up. So yeah. That's what I see there. Tiger Brands. The German stock or the ODC? Guess it's this one. Or maybe not. Oh, this penny stocks. Oh, South African. Yeah. Well, hi, Eric. Oh, it's good to see you, man. Yeah, we'll take a look at the Brazilian market for sure. So, Tiger Brands. Oh, okay, that's better. Okay. So you have my attention. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's say we do have 5 ways up. Let's be optimistic, which I could see that. So I'm not sure if that could be finished. Ideally it would. 50%, nicely done. Volume I think is a bit lower, and we've yeah, we're pretty close. I mean, it depends. In middle of South clients. Right, for so they do veggie burgers. What do these guys do? So, Elliott Wave wise, we do have reasons to believe we can go higher. So it depends on what you want to do. If you want to invest, I would do your due diligence on the company. But Elliott Wave, all I can tell you is Elliott Wave wise, I mean, it looks decent. There is a possibility this is 1, 2, and we get upside. I mean, don't get your hopes up, but it is possible. Yeah, it is possible. Let me know if you have questions on that. So the dollar, and then we'll go on to the Brazilian market. So how's the dollar doing? So yeah, at this point, I guess we potentially could call this a top and start to be short the dollar, as I said 2 weeks ago. Because you're a brand company, yeah, thought so. But yeah. So the only scenario where I see upside is like if we get some kind of ending diagonal. Other than that, we could easily have topped, as I said 2 weeks ago. For me, so yeah, that's on the dollar. I mean, if you have questions on the dollar, so C wave looks like 3 wave. Let's see. Oh, I guess you could maybe an ending diagonal. I see a potential diagonal right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what I wouldn't like about discount is wave C is a bit shorter than wave A. And then here, so ending diagonal sub count is 3, 3, 3. Despite the fact it's 1, 2, 3, or 5, the sum count for the 5 waves within the ending diagonals, I don't know if you knew, are 3. So ABC, ABC, ABC. So ABC, ABC, ABC here in wave 3, ABC in 4, ABC in 5. I can easily see them. Let me show you. 3 in 3, 3 in 4, 3 in 5. Perfect. So yeah, it fits. Let me know what you think. And here, obviously, I mean, not obviously, but here, ABC. So yeah, there's reason to believe it's possible. I had ABC. Okay. But yeah, I think it's, this could be 1. I can see 1, 2. So an extent, I mean, yeah, a nest. Well, ABC in wave C, so a flat is a 3, 3, 5. So if you're looking at a wave C, it has to have 5 subwaves. So if it's ABC, so if it's ABC, I mean 3, 3, 3, it's a complex. Not, hopefully I'm making myself clear, or else I misunderstood you. But if you say you're looking at the flat in wave C has always 5 subwaves. So if you're looking at a 3 wave within a wave C, it's not a wave C, it's a wave Y or Z. But it's part of a complex. Hope it makes sense what I'm saying. Let me know if it doesn't. Happy to try to explain it better. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, it's possible. I didn't count it, but it's... Maybe, yeah. I could potentially... yeah, it would be a bit annoying, but let me see. Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry. Okay, I got you. So A, B, C. So the problem I would have with that, I mean, it's possible. Don't get me wrong, it's possible. But if this is part of a 1, 2, I wouldn't want this to take too much time. I understand what you're saying. Sorry if I didn't get it, but yeah, it's not that easy when because I was, yeah. It's easier if you guys could talk, but I would understand the issue that it would create. But yeah, what I'm saying is, oh, the inputs down is wave A from all-time high. Isn't that what you meant? From all-time high down in A, there's been wave A. Isn't that what you meant? Yeah, there's yeah, I need to shut up because yeah, it's, I don't know if you guys know, but the video is a bit of delay. First, can you just tell me from, in terms of price, from where to where? So that's easy. It's easier to understand. From, in terms of price, from where to where do you think is wave A? This? Yeah, if you could just say in terms of price. Yeah, by the way, guys, if you just join us, welcome. Feel free to ask me for anything. Oh, I didn't pin the message. But yeah, feel free to ask me for anything to analyze. And I'll try to do my best. And if you enjoy what we're doing here, please leave a like. It really helps. From primary wave A, you label. Can you just please say the price? Please. It just... Primary wave A. So you think this is wave A? and you're looking at a flash, so some sort of I don't know, maybe I guess like this, 3 3, or A B C. A B, is that what you're looking at? Down in A, up in B, down in C. Oh, okay. I got it. Yeah. Well, again, possible, I guess. Even though, yeah, I guess it's possible. Again, my only problem with that would be that time. I would, if this is 1, 2, I wouldn't want to take too much time. Well, let's see time-wise. How much is this taking already? Okay, so yeah, maybe we're at 38.2 perhaps. Okay, not even that. Yeah, I guess it's possible, but yeah, okay. I guess it's possible. I'll give you that. All right, sorry if it took me long, but yeah, as I said, it's not that easy to understand. Anyways, GJ, as always. You always ask for one, GJ. And my answer is, yeah, I think that he hasn't, it's same as last time around. Either wave 2 is finished and we're resuming higher, or else this was A, B, C. That's all I can say. There you go. Blue. That's GJ. Oh, you're very welcome. But yeah, again, my apologies if it took me long, but yeah, it is what it is. Let's see. Serve you on. Oh, sorry, Eric. I forgot about you almost. My bad. Yeah, guys. If I just don't. If you see me, yeah, sometimes I do forget. Sorry, Eric. And then yeah, we'll go on to IX and then Under Armour for sure. Oh, so let's see. So this is interesting. So I've said too many times, haven't I? So if I'm expecting this wave 4, obviously I would like it to be deeper, unless I could call it very sharp wave 4, have a top here, and then look for downside. This is quite a tricky count, I have to be honest with you. It is a bit tricky. So let's see off the bottom. Could it be? I mean, it could be seen as 3. A, B, C. That's a big swing. It was quick, but it was big. Can we count 5? So the most obvious count would be extended 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, can we count 5? And then I guess you could say it's diagonal in 1, 2, 3. So maybe, again, a bit of a tricky count. That would be primary. That would be primary. Yes, it would be primary. So tricky count, but possible. Let's zoom. And this could be headed south. Let me know, Eric, if you have any thoughts, but yeah, let me know if you have any thoughts, any question, or anything in particular you wanted to know. But yeah, I wouldn't want to be too bullish and say, this is wave 1, 2. It could be that this 1, 2, 3, or 5 of this wave 5. That's possible. So that's also possible. It depends on, I guess, how conservative you want to be. So, IX. Well, actually, I'll just leave it here. IX. I guess this one. Let me know if not. Am I looking at the... Yeah, just let me know if I'm looking at the right chart. Please. Rahul. The meantime. So as no one is asking for cryptos. Under... Yeah, I would, knowing you, I guess you would said ABC. And this could even be completed as I see. I guess. What do you say? No? Actually, you're the flat guy. You like flats. So maybe that's a count. Even though this looks more like 5 than 3. But yeah, let me know what you say. Yeah, you could say this is some sort of ABC. Yes. See? I know you're ready. You like flats. Yeah, as I said, this looks more like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't see it as a wave B. That's the thing. I like this more. But yeah, either way, we're looking at the... Okay, so yeah. Yeah. I guess, let's look at fib relationships. Not quite met equality if we're assuming that this is A, if this is B. If we assume that this is... Oh, sorry. If we assume that A is down here... then we just pass 6.8. So yeah, I guess we'll find out. But overall, it's interesting, I'd say. But then again, obviously with discounts, we're looking long term. You can see your sub XY. I wouldn't for the time. I would honestly just stick with ABC. I don't think there's any reason to think of EWFAlessio, but yeah, it's interesting. And I was saying it's for long term. So long term, in my opinion, there should also be other factors involved as fundamentals, balance sheets, and perhaps other way to look at the markets other than Elliott Wave. But yeah, Elliott Wave wise, no matter what, to me, this looks like 3. That's all I can say. So GU, yeah, I'll just go with GU and U as 19243 was asking. You guys have I'm sure that's his name. So EU obviously opposite of the dollar. I mean, not obviously, but yeah, this is still 3. So this count is wrong. Could perhaps be something like this, maybe. I don't know, but upside. We can get further upside. GU. Yeah, no reason to be bullish, even if this could well be A, B, C, nice flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So potentially be careful, be cautious here on GU. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, any particular question on those. I just was really quick, as we have tons of requests, which I'm really happy about. VCF. Oh, you look at all following companies, don't you? Makes sense. That's a good dividend. I'm gonna add it to my list. What do these guys do? So EPS 1.8, price to earnings. That's not encouraging. That is. Well, okay, lifestyle apparel. Never heard of it. I'm gonna be honest. But it looks like it's been around for. You know what? Let me look at Seeking Alpha. Well, I'll just do after the session because I'm interested. Thanks for bringing this up. However, not all that glitters is gold, as they say. So I'm thinking, what if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nope, it's not possible. Can we get 5? 1, 2. So I have to be honest. This could be seen quite as an aggressive move, but let me explain it. This looks like 3. To me. So unless this is some sort of wave. It's complicated. Or else there's wave 4, but I can't squeeze a wave 4 in here. Oh. Nope. Nope. Yeah, that's a bit complicated. Suggestions are welcome, by the way. Oh, they own Timberline Supreme North. Oh, I didn't know that. That's good though. It's good to know. How do you find these stocks, if I may? Yeah, it's a bit tricky. It is possible. But yeah, any suggestions are welcome. I'm honestly struggling a bit. I mean, unless you want to consider this part of a leading diagonal, which quite the call, but so like 1, 2, but it will be short. It will be a short 2, 3. Nah, forget about it. Forget about it. So Nifty, well, the Nifty pump. So if you're confused, my best advice, not financial advice, but my best advice would be to stay out of the market. As I like to say, when in doubt, I stay out. What I can say is, as long as we don't have a clear significant pullback, this is unfolding nicely as a impulsive move. So yeah, we may have resumed higher, but when in doubt, I stay out. So that would be my best advice for you. 19, 20, 43. So I just search what I can see. Oh, fair enough, man. But yeah. $65%. So this was 75%, this move. This has been 73. So they could potentially be of the same degree, which is interesting. But yeah, I'll take a look at it, because I'm interested now. I was looking at being in the same sector, just a brief brackets, Montclair. Not sure that's how you say it. Not even sure where Nike also. It's quite a drop. I was looking at Adidas or Adidas, whatever you want to call it, but kind of moved not as I was expecting. But Montclair. Okay, there you go. Montclair, also quite an interesting move. Guys who say, "Oh, that's I guess it's a good. I'll start to think about that too. But here, Montclair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could this be A, B, C? I guess I'm gonna find out. But yeah, it's because I wanted to differentiate a bit in my long-term portfolio. So I'm just invested in Americans, stocks and ETFs. So I wanted to differentiate a bit. Goes in Europe, maybe Asia. Okay. Company JSC. Last one for me. So JSC. Is it South African one? Oh no, sorry, I'm stupid. I'm stupid. My bad. Fin. How come you want the one listings? No more. I won't ask questions. Um. I mean, it's quick to the eye, at least to mine. This is 3, so I would expect for the downside. In addition to that, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would be bearish. And that's all I can say. And, I mean, you could argue this, couldn't you? So yeah, I'll be bearish. Oh yeah, I'm a student too. I'm just, yeah, I'm fairly young. But, yeah. I try my best. But yeah, great to know that. You know what? I should have saved all of these counts into a folder. Huh. Stupid me. I would have given it your name. Triangle in 4. Not a triangle, but a flat. Triangle wouldn't fit. All right. Any other requests, guys? Anything else? Before I wish you a good weekend. Yeah, markets they are what they are. They're open, but not sure why they open even. I think they closed early today, maybe. Not sure. Don't want to say something stupid. Oh, I changed the. My bad. But yeah, I can always look at the chat if anything comes up. All right, guys. I think it's yeah, it's been great. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was helpful. As always, thank you for joining. It was fun for me. Hope it was as fun for you. And hope you guys found it helpful. And as always, remember, we're here every other Friday. So I'll see you in 2 Fridays. And check out VVS Discord, which is the academy where I teach and I post updates. The link, public Discord, is in the description. And all I can say is always, don't trade too much, and you guys have a great weekend. And I'll see you